Chileka bago kuwela yazo. Go back again, Jimia. Go back again, Jimia. Set a camera off my girl. Lazo. Telero Zana. Kanona kitchen ga where I call to na la hiji kama ya kama brew this one. I got where I call to from kitchen. Use to me my work hand no. I wouldn't know I call to my being Gibranga beta contribese. I break that in Kawaya na Ladia. Go back and break it. Go back again where I destroy Yaya. Destroy it now. Destroy it now. See you destroy Yaya. Destroy Yaya. The letters are how I yon can use it. Destroy it. Destroy it. Destroy it. If you don't destroy it, I will just bring you down here. Yeah, I won't know how man I can use it. Not telling you. Eh? Telagula. Bianca. Magana mpago dendo. Listen, if you are here to play with me, I'll bring you down. I'm not joking here with you. Negi na nago dendo. Kebe hano.
Anambra.
Gino nyebi.
So somebody no lo. Una my senior sister.
Gino nyebi.
Una my senior sister.
Ofunna ye. Onye kushige keje ji ha ha no tele.
Nere like nere ya so. Use ya.
Okay. Nwanyi mere, nwa agbọghọ bịa mere obi ụmụ nwaanyị na-apụ ebe ụmụ nwoke nọ. Ije mee hook up?
Mba.
Ije mee short time?
Mba.
Ke mere n'iji like ị na-akwụ ihe a n'otele gị? Ke mere eji na-use ya? Ke ihe kpalitere mmụọ gị nwa agbọghọ bịa at your age now? Listen, I'm not joking, and if you laugh with me, I will block you. I'm not joking with you. Oh yeah, when I can push that thing in Nanya, remove it. Remove that thing in Nanya. Remove that eyelashes. I said remove it. Remove it.
Sir, I can't remove it now. I just fixed them yesterday. I just did all this.
I want to best English. Bingo.
No, really, sir.
Hippopotamus. Best room English. Hippopotamus. I said remove it. Remove it.
Any me get back home.
Remove it now with the Mmiri.
I got me pull myself. Me make home. So I need to go to the last stake.
That's your sister not there.
Mba, no ever.
It's a 1 year program.
Mba, we promo.
About Jordan.
Mba.
Negi na nna ha masị jere ahịa ihe eji ụmụ nwanyị na-eji awụ n'otele.
Hama.
Mpaga asị gịnị?
Onwe ya kwuru ọ bara mba initially. Mana mgbe ọ notisi na itigo m ezigbo ego n'ime ya kwuzi okwu.
Mmago na-enwere nke ọ na-eyuzu.
Mba.
Enwere
ka dị ndụ n'idi.
Na gịnị mere?
Onye di ya di ya ka dị ndụ.
Oka onye di ya nwere anwụ onye n'idiri.
Mba, onye at least onye na-achọ ịgbanwe ọ ka mma.
Chineke agbaga ọkụ. I want to ask you now, at your age now you used to get this thing. Be honest and sincere. In an old again with feeling from okay, they value that man. Be honest, can we use in a way value for any get and walk it in a chat, it can a feeling and love for that man. What means you walk it in answer me yes or no.
I did make dinner okay. I did make relationship. I'm just trying to try here.
Okay, maybe a relationship. Cause we name
But maybe before. I'm sorry, just try ya cause.
Or walk it in and I give before you won't know virgin.
I won't move virgin man, I won't walk it dinner.
Huh?
I won't move virgin man, I won't walk it dinner.
How? Or why did that?
But oh toy, can you use it?
Toy. Okay, Kiji bido break toy we have break really. Okay, although you could get use way I get go on.
Agram na girls school, so all the common neighbor.
Okay, get where you acquire yourself. Okay, break over on what you gave those that really used to eat. So
maybe those wire might notice na ego there, maybe the real was there.
Okay. What makes you in a man wine? Be honest to me. In a man wine and wine. Okay, in a man wine and wine. Okay. Can we be how many years can or into email wine and wine?
Maybe the Menkano secondary, Menkano like 14 years.
14 years. So now, can many Biara here for interview? Since same that now. Edela used to email wine now. Hold on. Listen. Put camera on your face. Let's forget joke. If you are not ready, tell me. Can many feel na need this interview? Since you know in a wine and wine, and that na you need anything that has to do with man. You are already used to it, right? Because when you also okay, making no way get one value okay. So why do you think so?
Because I'm trying to stop. Na bali pushing, and at the end of the day, I won't want to come girl.
In a choke pushing, and only get pushing cooking.
Mba, I won't know more pushing. The thing una about nime relationship, so mba, oh you maka pushing, and at the end of the day, I won't want to come man, no come man. So
don't you think nigga no panime marriage name make wine and wine?
No. All the possible.
Huh?
But
Not they possible. Then get the enjoyment in what they in doing it. What do you think? Again, if you're in your conscience or not disturbed about what you are doing, call in a mere because you want to be doing it.
Bidoria ebidomia with that mindset now. Okay, ya tu mi mana yenda ama tu mi okay ya maybe ndomo momenda oyendito with that mindset. So that is it.
Okay, now I'm drug ajuju. Okay, man, the life in a live now. Ime wine and wine. Wait. O me wine and wine. Okay, man, that na Igbo na say answer. Okay, man, no waro. I believe for no waro. Na Igbo na say answer.
Amacha maka Igbo cultures and tradition. Manama etromo with is a normal thing to do, and comes Ighuaka Nambo agam na girls school, so it was normal for everybody. It's normal. So I don't with that mindset.
Okay, man, here I never got a map for two. Ngawaniru. So now, on your own, do you really want to stop it, or a chair will share?
Yes, I do want to stop. I want to stop.
You want to stop?
I want to stop. Yes.
Are you sure you want to stop it? Are you sure? 100% sure? Okay.
Yes.
Do you believe in ancestors?
No.
Do you believe in God?
Yes.
Okay. When I get something this so powerful that you might take for granted, and I'm not joking about it. And I may here Igbo no here. Igbo ni here woge them also. And I may if you think it's a joke with your age, Gega continue name ihe gbasara wine and wine or anything you see is left for you. Okay? Okay. Achom ke batu na la try the canedo. Because I nagi take a serious oath now with me. So try the canedo batu na la bapu ugefu. So gidi anajala oboda he no nimia. That needles beka get no far do ya naka ge kobra pota ge naka ge desi anala. Anything in kuru ki ge.
Is there any needle in this house?
That lady not there.
I think so now. Mba, all my maid, my house help.
Okay, your house help. That's not your part now, but it's okay. Give me your name here. Give me your name here.
Mba.
You know about her, mayor with her.
No.
Just be honest to me.
No. I'm my girlfriend, but we recently broke up.
Okay, please. You all need this serious. You really want to stop it. Do this thing I'm telling you now, and I want you to stop it.
I will.
Hello.
I don't need to know. No. Let me use humour. More. My nails, they make room madaru. All the very sharp.
Now, promise me you will stop it. Promise me. I want to listen.
I will stop. I promise.
Listen to me. Promise me. Look at me. Promise me. I'm not joking. Promise me you'll stop it, please. I can kneel down for you publicly here. Please.
I really want to stop, honestly. Actually,
okay, now do me a favor.
Nah.
Have you once spoken with your mom and your dad about this?
No.
You have not done that.
No.
But you know you're a very pretty girl, and what you are doing, it might destroy you in future.
I know. That's what I'm trying to stop.
If you are ready, if you really promise me you're gonna stop it. Yes, but perhaps I get try by one on that. If I want to check, get just do a camera.
About them,
go to where there is sound. I can hear you. Go. Get the guys of video ponala.
Okay. Aja deba no. Azo
go to outside the compound. Try a normal land of Achate.
There's no. I am in normal land deba estate. I am in normal land deba. Actually, them remember.
Okay, yes, no neba Aja flower and Kurobia. Can you stand inside that place?
Yes.
Stand that place. I'm
standing.
Okay.
I'm standing.
Okay, the way camera far. Can you call somebody else to camera? Can you call somebody else to camera?
Chidera, come outside. Come outside now. Come outside, you fool.
That person there tell me no need for that. Your mama when they make it. Don't allow me to block you.
Just
why you calling her?
For the camera. Give one way. Show me light. Show me distance. Okay. Let me show the sun.
They have to go far. They have to go back far. Okay, tell her to go back. Tell her to go back properly. Yeah, go back where? Okay, now. Hold on. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Okay, good. Are you promising me that you are going to stop this thing?
Yes, I'll stop.
Are you inekwe ndị Igbo niile n'ebe nkwa? Inekwe ndị Igbo niile ebe nkwa na ge kwụsị ya?
M na-ekwu n'ụkwa na m ga-akwụsị ya.
Oya were aka mepụta ọbara na atọ mbụ gị otu a. I want to confirm that you have done it. I want to be sure. Then touch some of that blood on that wall. I will see it.
Don't enjoy yourself. I'll meet you on a wall.
I will see it that now your blood is there. Do it properly so that he may him sing me. I told me no putragana kakangwagi hige.
Come with them, ma. Come with them, ma.
Anyone you want to be fast, be fast.
Show me, bring.
Like I see. Go closer. This is not blood now.
It's blood, though. I don't really have blood like that. I'm trying to press it out.
Let me see your hand.
See it there. I'm pressing it out.
Press it and touch another side.
Time to open it.
That means you were lying for me before. Don't just be sincere to yourself.
No, I use.
Listen. Make sure get what's this thing. Make sure get one. Make sure get. It's not by force. I will just bring you down. Not very simple. I can't see anything. Okay, I can see it now. Now, hello, listen. Listen, it's okay. Now listen. Listen to me. What you are going to do, if you don't know what it means a lot. It's very powerful. You want to stop it. You want to stop. Oh yeah. It contrary to it, they are aware. It got contrary to it, you will die. Are you aware?
Yes.
Oh yeah. The wakaga on aja on not there. Where I can the when aja on like this. The way I did listen to me. Oh yeah, go ajala.
Ajala.
Ajala Igbo.
Ajala Igbo. Ajala Igbo. Ajala Igbo.
Go back. Atrom ekwusi ihe gbasara mmekọ nwaanyị na nwaanyị.
Atrom ekwusi ihe gbasara mmekọ nwaanyị na nwaanyị.
Atrom na-eme ọsọ.
Atrom na-eme ya ọzọ.
Nyere m aka.
Nyere m aka.
Ka m kwụsị ya.
Ka m kwụsị ya.
N'aha Chukwu okike abịa m.
N'aha Chukwu okike abịa m.
Ihe m na-eme.
Be my phone. Ihe m na-eme.
Mgbe ọbụla mụ na nwaanyị ọzọ ga-emekọ.
Mgbe ọbụla mụ na nwaanyị ọzọ ga-emekọ.
Ka aja ala alụsị m ọgụ.
Ka aja ala alụsị m ọgụ.
Ka aja ala Igbo ma aja ala obodo ọbụla m nọ n'ime alụsị m ọgụ.
Ka aja ala Igbo alụsị m ọgụ. I don't want them to share my camera.
Ka aja ala Igbo na aja ala obodo m nọ n'ime ya ma obodo ọbụla alụsị m ọgụ ma mụ na nwaanyị emekọ ọzọ.
Ka aja ala Igbo na aja ala obodo m nọ n'ime ya na obodo niile alụsị m ọgụ ma mụ na nwaanyị ọzọ mmekọrịta.
N'aha Chukwu okike abịa ma. Eji m obi m na-achọ ịkwụsị ihe a. Eji m obi m na-achọ ịkwụsị ihe a. Site n'ụbọchị taa gawa. Aga m ahụ nwoke n'anya, nwoke ga-ahụ m n'anya. Ise. Okay. All right. Call your number. Congratulations. Your interview. I met you interview. Call your number. Why you all up okay. Go go relationship. Go love. Block Hoya. They will still call you. Okay. But take notes.
Okay.
That they will call you. So okay. Block Hoya. Okay. My sister. Hello. Can you hear me?
Okay.
Can you hear me? You are the happiest thing that has. You are the happiest thing that has ever happened to me today, December. You are the joy I'm using to enter a new month, and to other Igbo men that are here. And I want to tell you, they are proud of you. And I'm telling you today, I'm happy with you. And the love you have never seen, you will gain it all the rest of your life. Please, be courageous.
Amen.
Was here. No, don't take what you did as a play. You don't know what you just did. So if you go contrary to it, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for you. All right, take care of yourself. Call your phone number.
081 48 59 7075. Also on WhatsApp call now.
It's okay. Much love, okay? Much love. If you can still change business, it will be better, okay? All right, guys, let's show her love. Let's show her love. Let's show her love. Let's go. Everybody show her much love from Anambra. Let's show her love. All those things. Oh, a young girl, no, my sister here, Igbo. It's an abomination in Igbo culture, okay? Owaro. Eh?
Yes, sir.
There's something that an animal cannot do. Human beings are doing it. Have you ever seen it? If all these things are free from it, what about us? So I want to say much love to you, much love to Anambra people. And I want to say today, believe me, if so far you have done this, if you think what I did here is a joke, you also give me now you sabi. Okay? Everybody show her love. Show her love. Yes, sir. Let's show her love. If this is the only best interview I've ever done in my life, I will thank God. Let's show her love, please, guys. Let's show her much love, please. Call your number again. Call your WhatsApp number. You, sir. Call your WhatsApp number.
Is it my network?
Yeah, your network. Call your WhatsApp number.
You have not been made down. My network is bad.
You can go inside your house. Call your WhatsApp number.
Say it again.
Call your WhatsApp number.
081 48 59 7075. I don't know if it's my network or a busy network.
It's your network. Just call your WhatsApp number.
081 48 59 7075.